Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay. So, since I'm back, alam nyo na may bago tayong pupuntanahan. May bago tayong destination. And actually guys, kung nanonood kayo ng mga vlogs ko, dati pa, ayan, since mga last years pa, pumunta na kami dito before sa Baguio. 2023, I have a vlog. Meron po tayong part 1 hanggang part 3 nitong Baguio vlog. And of course guys, pwede nyo siya yan anytime panoorin. You can just check my account and then scroll a little. And then makikita nyo na siya kaagad guys, since recently lang siya sa mga uploaded videos ko. Ayan, ganyan katagal ako bago mag-post. Kaya makikita nyo agad yung mga dati ko pang post. And ayan guys, nakarating na kami this time sa hotel namin. We checked in sa Metro Pines, if you know that hotel, sa Baguio. Actually, last time doon din kami nag-check-in. And by this time, nasa taxi kami. And since Baguio trip to guys, syempre, kadating pa lang, alis na naman agad. Ayan. Para naman ma-enjoy ang vacation. So, stay tuned na lang kung saan kami pupunta. Ayan. So, ayan, as you can see, nasa John Hay Hotels kami. And, pwede na lang kayong pumasok dito, just taking pictures or visit lang, take a look around. And also, pwede din kayong kumain sa loob. Meron din siyang kainan, mga, I don't know, basta kainan. Iba't ibang klase ng kainan. May mga cafes, meron, pang lunch, dinner, ganyan. So, may pa-mini tour tayo sa loob. Just enjoy the view. Enjoy the view! So, at this point, ayan, nakalabas na kami. May pupuntahan na naman kami, of course. So, ayan, syempre, ako muna yung view. Hala, hindi. Lakad-lakad muna tayo, guys. Since Baguio to, mag-hike tayo. Tuto tayo mag-hike. We're going down. We're going down, down, down. Siguro talaga yung lyrics. Hindi mo kung kasi. So, yan guys. Pumunta muna kami saglit sa Nike. Yeah. We're just going to look around and around to the Baguio Nike. At this time, we're just taking pictures around Camp Janhay, guys. Yes. And boom, yan. Gabi na and nasa SM na kami ng Baguio. So, we visited this last time na rin. You can just check my other videos. Pero, itutur around ko pa rin kayo, guys. Ayun, yan yung loob niya. Para makita nyo ang loob ng mall ng Baguio.
Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Okay, finally, nandito na tayo sa rooftop. Ito yung pinakamagandang part ng mall ng Baguio, guys. Kasi dito makikita mo talaga yung taas ng buong Baguio City. Hindi taas. Basta guys, maganda yung view dito. And suggest lang guys, hindi pwede dito yung manipis talaga na jacket sa rooftop. Kailangan talaga yung makapal since naniniksik yung lamig sa loob. Ganun level siya. And by this time, we're just walking around guys and super daming tao talaga. So, come with us and walk with us. Walk with us!
The memories, it's all just memories now. Don't you love when I come around? Fill you up, then I take you down. Don't you love when I come around? Build you up in a tree.
Okay, we're here at the Burnham Park. Ayan. Ganito pala yung itsura niya kapag gabi. Marami ding tao, of course. Hindi na mawawala ng tao dyan because sikat na park siya sa Baguio. And ayan, we're just going to look for something to eat. And marami ding kumakain dyan, of course. May kita mo iba-ibang variations ng food, ng mga dala-dala ng mga tao habang naglalakad. And by this time guys, dapat nakapag-dinner na kayo para mas sulit. Ayan, parang late night snack na lang siya. Maglalakad-lakad kayo, then ayan. Very nice, very peaceful. Guys, masarap yan o, ilang ako. Ayan guys, kebab. Nakatikim na ba kayo nito? Kasi ngayon ko na siya natikman. Well, ano lang naman siya, gulay lang siya na may laman. Masarap yan guys, itry nyo. Pag pumunta kayo dyan, itry nyo yan. Masarap yan. Okay, bab. May different siya. May baboy, may chicken, may beef. Iba-iba. Ito naman si mommy kumakain ng corn. Ayan. Ayan. Kakagat muna ako ng kebab na yan, of course. Hindi pwedeng hindi tayo makakain. Kailangan. Ayan, kinain na niya. So that's it for the part 1 guys. Stay tuned sa part 2 kasi marami pa tayong pupuntahan ng mga places. Ayan, magugustuhan niyo siya guys. Bye for now.